Cybernetics biosafety. In this session, we not only talk about the biosafety concerns related to a new emerging field of cybernetics, rather we will also talk about the biosecurity factors. याद रखिए कि safety और security concepts they are interchangeable, but in cybernetics they are applied in some other way. They are considered to be inappropriate even in this advanced world. Why is it so? Because security and safety is unable to define the features and emerging properties of the cybernetic system. Now, if we talk about the safety, keep in mind that safety is a human-focused concept that reflects the degree of freedom from unacceptable harm to people. So safety is actually measured by measuring the risk assessment, and we also talk about the risk management in case of biosafety. And same is applied to the field of cybernetics. Now, whenever we talk about the biosafety and biosecurity in the field of cybernetics, then they are cross-examined, and it was found that in cybernetics, where we talk about the superhumans, information is controlled by special advanced control systems. What about their security and what about their safety? So the regulations and implications are to be there in order to talk about the biosafety and biosecurity in context of cybernetics. Now, there is need of a proposed framework that must address the safety and security issues related to cybernetics. This proposed framework must include systemic suite of principles, and these principles must provide an integrated regulated aspects to modern complex system. So apart from proposed framework, there must be principles and the regulatory team that regulates those principles. इसके अलावा जब हम systemic या systematic treatment की बात करते हैं in relation to cybernetics, then we have to look at the sustainable development as well, in which the most important factor is the environmental sustainability. Now, the proposed framework comprises of assurance system, and this concept of assurance include fault errors, then failures, hazards, or any sort of consequences. इसके अलावा advanced system security में chances हैं कि अगर ये information और ऐसी technique जिससे human body information control हो रही है, it can harm the human body itself. It can harm the other human body as well. So here the important issue is to talk about the vulnerability as well. Now, unlike safety, keep in mind the security has many interpretations and contextual implications with regard to stakeholders. जब भी हम security की बात करें, it should lack susceptibility to vandalism, sabotage, theft, fraud and terrorism. अगर हम इन चीज़ों से किसी सिस्टम, किसी फील्ड को पाक बना दें, then it is considered to be biosecurity assured.